Can you send money to a Coinbase card? So, you've got this shiny new Coinbase card, and you're itching to load it up. But hold on a sec, can you actually send money directly to it? Like, can you transfer funds from your bank account, or maybe even another crypto wallet? That's the burning question, isn't it? Well, let's dive in and find out. First things first, the Coinbase card is a fantastic piece of plastic. It's essentially a debit card linked to your Coinbase account. You can use it for online purchases, in-store shopping, and even ATM withdrawals. But here's the kicker, it's not a traditional bank account. So, can you treat it like one? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. You can't directly send money to your Coinbase card like you would a regular debit card. There's no account number or routing number for you to share. It's designed to be a spending card, not a funding source. But don't despair, crypto enthusiast. There are still ways to get money onto your card. Let's break it down. Method 1. Buy crypto on Coinbase. This is the most straightforward way to load up your Coinbase card. You can buy cryptocurrencies directly on the Coinbase platform using your bank account or debit card. Once the crypto is in your Coinbase account, it's automatically converted to fiat currency and available to spend on your card. It's like having a built-in ATM that converts your crypto on the fly. Pretty cool, right? But remember, there are fees involved in buying crypto and converting it, so factor that into your calculations. Method 2. Sell crypto on Coinbase. If you already hold crypto, you can sell it on Coinbase and convert the proceeds to fiat currency. This fiat balance can then be used to spend on your Coinbase card. This method is ideal if you want to liquidate some of your crypto holdings and use the funds immediately. Method 3. Coinbase Earn. Want to earn free crypto? Coinbase offers various educational programs called Coinbase Earn where you can learn about different cryptocurrencies and earn small amounts of them. Once you've earned enough, you can convert it to fiat and spend it on your card. It's a great way to get started with crypto and potentially earn some extra spending money. Method 4. Coinbase Rewards. Another way to top up your card is through Coinbase Rewards. Some merchants offer cashback rewards in the form of crypto. You can earn these rewards and then convert them to fiat for spending. It's like getting paid to shop. A quick note on fees. Before you start loading up your Coinbase card, it's important to be aware of the fees involved. There are fees for buying crypto, converting crypto to fiat, and potentially ATM withdrawal fees. It's essential to understand these costs to avoid any surprises. So, can you send money directly to your Coinbase card? To recap, no, you cannot send money directly to your Coinbase card like you would a traditional bank account. It's designed to be a spending card, not a funding source. However, there are several ways to get money onto your card by buying or selling crypto, earning rewards, or participating in Coinbase Earn. While it might not be as convenient as directly transferring funds, these methods offer flexibility and can be a good way to manage your crypto and spending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.